Southwest, thank you very much for making it here. Dr. Princess S. Ola Williams, Southwest Protocol, thank you very much for coming. Alhaja Fako Kunde Kudirat, Osun State Women Leader, thank you, God bless you. Mrs. Mojisola Stella Lijoka, Ondo State APC Women Leader, thank you very much for coming, God bless you. Let me once again welcome and recognize a manager of men and resources, an excellent manager of resources for optimal performance and excellence in corporate governance. Welcome with me the Director General of the most efficient, ever-growing state broadcast organization, the Ondo State Radio Vision Corporation, Mr. Kenneth Odushola Stevenson. Thank you so much for coming. God bless you. Please celebrate the DG for me. Are we tired of clapping? Thank you very much. We are also glad to have with us the Association of Traditional Birth Attendants in Ondo State. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please, in the next 5 to 10 minutes, we will be enjoying a documentary that has a lot to do with the Renewed Hope Initiative and efforts at empowering women and youth as well as the entire populace of Nigeria. Please enjoy it. Thank you. That was a documentary on the efforts of the Renewed Hope Initiative of ensuring better life for our women and our youth in Ondo State. Very many of them benefited from that gesture, and we thank God for the initiative being spearheaded by the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who is the National Chairman of the Renewed Hope Initiative, Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON. Please, again, we'd like to appeal. It is not compulsory that you come inside the hall. We have arrangements made for you outside the hall so that everything will be well done. So please, we urge you to ensure that everything is done decently and in order. Let me respectfully and humbly welcome and recognize the chairman of the All Progressives Congress APC in Ondo State, Engineer Adetimei the Jagaban. Thank you very much. God bless you. Let me welcome the Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, Algon, Ondo State Chapter, under the leadership of Dr. Gbenga Fashua, the chairman of Akure South Local Government. Thank you for coming. God bless you. The vice chairman of Algon is also here, Honorable Bashir Oluwole. Thank you. God bless you.
I also like to warmly welcome one of the senior special assistants to His Excellency, the Governor of Ondo State, Honorable Dr. Lucky Orimison Ayedatiwa. Honorable Mrs. Adenike Olawoye Asherere, thank you for coming. I also like to welcome the Director of Protocol for Southwest, Dr. Princess S. Ola Williams. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you so much for coming. And as we've repeatedly mentioned here, please ensure that you're seated. There are a number of seats available, and so please ensure that you're seated. If you do not have a chair, please step outside the hall where there are other arrangements for you to sit and
Hello. Let me respectfully welcome Superb Commissioner Princess Brown Olufumilayo. I'd like to also recognize and welcome Dr. Yelade Olariwaju. Thank you for coming. God bless you. Once again, please, we do not appreciate moving up and down. Please do get a seat. And if it's not possible, please, let's get a seat outside the hall where we've made proper arrangements for you. Torí pé ilẹ̀ káàárọ̀ oòjíire la wà, ẹjá tuntun sọ lédè àbínibí wa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a wá ibì kan jókòó sí nínú gbọ̀ngàn yìí tí ààyè bá wà fún wa. Àmọ́ bí ò bá wá sáàyè, ẹ dákun ààyè pọ̀ tí a ti yà sọ́tọ̀ fún wa ní òde gbọ̀ngàn yìí. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí a ṣe ohun gbogbo bó ti tọ́ àti bó ti yẹ. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ o. I welcome all the heads of security agencies joining us here. Thank you for coming. We recognize you, we celebrate you, and we appreciate the good job you're doing. God bless you real good. The band.
Sweet mother, I no go forget you. For this suffer when you suffer for me, yeah, yeah. Sweet mother, ah, sweet mother, oh, yeah. Sweet mother, I no go forget you. For this suffer where you suffer for me, yeah, yeah. Sweet mother, ah, oh yeah, sweet mother, oh, yeah. When I just sleep, my mother go carry me. He go save my pikin. Why you dey cry? Yeah, yeah. Stop, 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 stop. Make we no cry again, yo. Oh yeah, sweet mother, I no go forget you. For this suffer where you suffer for me, yeah, yeah. Sweet mother, ah, sweet mother, yeah. Ega, ega, baba, oh, ega, eba, ega, ega, baba, oh, ega, ega, baba, oh, ega, 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 baba, oh, ega. Ega, ega, baba mi, ega, ega, eba, ega, ega, baba, oh, ega, ega. Is it? Follow praise ló ń kọrin lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Kó má ṣe sáriwo, kó má lọ díẹ̀díẹ̀. Oh yeah, this is my music. Eba, yes, I dance. Oh yeah, this is my music. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. This is my music, oh, ladies and gentlemen. Follow praise. This is my music, oh, ladies and gentlemen. Ijó mi ò pa kólekóle, ladies and gentlemen. Ìlú mi ò pa kólekóle, ladies and gentlemen. Follow praise ló ń kọrin lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. This is my music, oh, ladies and gentlemen. This is my music, oh, ladies and gentlemen. ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe báyìí kó máa lọ ní mẹ́lọmẹ́lọ. Dr. Samaye ló ní kí n kọrin wípé ìyá lára eva Dr. Samaye ìyá lára ló ní kí n gbóhùn sókè kí n wípé ó ṣe mí kí n máa jó eva. Ó ṣe mí ó ṣe mí tijó. Dr. Samaye, Mama Lara ló ní kí n gbóhùn sókè kí n wí pé ó ṣe mí kí n máa jó. Ó ṣe mí ó ṣe mí tijó. Eba. Ó ṣe mí kí n máa jó. Ó ṣe mí tijó. Ó yá mẹ́lẹ̀ pàlù yẹn mọ́ra. Eba. Follow praise. Mẹ́lẹ̀ pàlù yẹn mọ́ra. Mẹ́lẹ̀ pàlù yẹn mọ́ra. Mẹ́lẹ̀ pàlù yẹn mọ́ra. Mẹ́lẹ̀ o. Mẹ́lẹ̀ pàlù yẹn mọ́ra. Mẹ́lẹ̀ pàlù yẹn mọ́ra. Ó ṣe mí kí. Eba. Jùlẹ̀. Ó ṣe mí ó ṣe mí tijó. Ó ṣe mí kí n máa jó. Dr. Osamaye.
Thank you for the praise.
Ó ṣe mí tijó.
Thank you very much. Please, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to please crave your understanding that once we call the program to order, we do not want to see anyone using phone to capture anything. Please, it is very important. No use of phones. We can only use the professional cameras that are here. Please, we need to inform you ahead so that it do not look like anyone is embarrassing you. Please keep your phones and let's enjoy every bit of today's occasion. We'd like to recognize and welcome APC Progressives Young Women led by Omolara Kirogwe, SA to Mr. Governor. Thank you very much. God bless you.
In that same vein, I'd like to welcome the chairman of Ondo State NURTW, Mr. Ademola Odudu, up national. I see that he's here. Thank you for coming. I also would like to warmly welcome Honorable Fola Olaseyinde. She is a senior special assistant to the governor of Ondo State on diaspora affairs. Thank you for coming, ma.
Please, once again, let's understand that once we've called the program to order, we do not appreciate any use of phone. Please. The only cameras we want to see are the cameras of journalists. Please, let's do everything decently and in orderliness. Let me recognize Honorable Mrs. Bayo Aino, Special Assistant to the Governor on Women Mobilization. Thank you very much. God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we do not want to see anyone standing. Please find somewhere to sit. And if you do not have anywhere here inside the hall, we've made adequate arrangements for you outside the hall. Please, let's adhere strictly to this. Thank you very much. God bless you.
As we await the arrival of our dignitaries, I'd like the band to give us light music, please. I'd like to have the band on standby as always. Thank you.
I never see this can go before. Wonder, 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 wonder. I never see, oh. Wonder, 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 wonder. I never see this can go before. Hey, Olúwa, Jehovah, hey, Olúwa, ọmọ wa, hey, Olúwa, Jehovah. ẹ ṣé o Jésù a ó máa yíyọ́. Yéwà. Ẹ ṣé o Jésù. Ẹ ṣé o Jésù. Mo dúpẹ́ o Jésù. Ẹ ṣé o Jésù. Ẹ ṣé o Jésù. A ó máa yìn ọ́. Bàbá mo pẹ́ tá a mú wá fún ọ. Tó bá níbẹ̀. Èmi balẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ahọ́n ọ̀ṣẹ́. Èèmà. Fúnyìn olùgbàlà ẹ ṣé. Ògo Ọlọ́run ọba mi. Ìṣẹ́gun oore rẹ̀. Ọba mi àtọlọ́run mi. Ṣe báyìí náà kó máa lọ ní mẹ́lọmẹ́lọ ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́ ébà ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́ ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́ ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́ àrà sán atẹ́gùn fẹ́ àrà sán atẹ́gùn fẹ́ àrà sán atẹ́gùn fẹ́. Ìjíjà kò gbé wa lọ, ó yẹ kọrin sókè, ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́, ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́, ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́, ó yẹ ká dúpẹ́, àrà sán, atẹ́gùn fẹ́. Àrà sán, atẹ́gùn fẹ́. Àrà sán, atẹ́gùn fẹ́. Ìjíjà kò lù wá pa, ó yẹ ká sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, ó yẹ. Bóyá ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ kẹ́ máa jó. Ẹ ṣá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ kẹ́ máa jó. Folú Praise ló kọrin lọ́wọ́ ṣá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ kẹ́ máa jó. Ẹ ṣá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ kẹ́ máa jó. Bóyá ẹ ṣá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ kẹ́ máa jó.
Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ kẹ́ máa jó. Ọlọ́láyé ló ní tèmi o. Adé ti bẹ́yìn mọ́ kí o. Chairman gbogbo APC. Gbogbo APC pátá ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo. Ọlọ́láyé ló ní tèmi. Yèyé mọ̀ fi olóríire. Ìdógún lọ́mọ wẹ̀ o. Wọ́n máa san House Assembly. Olúwatóyìn mọ́ kí o. Ṣìftóyìn Adétùmára. Àwọn ọlọ́wọ́ máa dé o. Gbogbo wọn ló wà níbí. Adé Jésù máa ra mo kí ọ. Ṣí àwọn lọ́ọ̀kì bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọlọ́lá yòó. Yéyéyé. Ọlọ́lá gbajúmọ̀. Ọlọ́lá ooo. Yéyéyé. Ọlọ́lá gbajúmọ̀. Ẹ yàtọ̀ sí wọn jọ gbogbo APC. Ẹ yàtọ̀ sáwọn gbàtú ẹ̀yọ̀. Ẹ yàtọ̀ sí wọn jọ gbogbo obìnrin. Ẹ yàtọ̀ sáwọn gbà. Gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ olóríire o. Gbogbo ìyá lọ́jọ́ ṣọwọ́ níbẹ̀. Gbogbo ìgbà o. Ẹ stand by. Gbogbo ìgbà. Gbogbo ìyá lọ́jà. Ó ṣojú yìí kẹ́ máa yọ. Torí ayédàtiwa o. Ayédàtiwa. 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 Ìdógún mo kí ọ. Wọ́n jíṣẹ́ rẹ̀. Ó fowó láṣẹ ní lọ́wọ́. Ẹnu ò gbọ́ pẹ́ ló ń bọ̀. Tùgbà Jésù. Orin níṣẹ́ ni. Mo ní kí lọkùnrin ṣe. Láyé bí tóbìnrin ò lè ṣe. Gbogbo àwọn obìnrin àti aráàlú àti kúrò ní kíṣìn àti wà ní pálọ̀.
Thank you.
Ẹ ṣe àìná o, Adébáyọ̀, ó wà níbí. Àwọn tí là jẹ́, àwọn tí lọ́kì, àwọn tí là jẹ́.
Thank you very much for the praise.
Ó kí ọ, màmá mi fagbélé, ọtọ́kì tí mo bá ròde o.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe báyìí, ẹ kò wálé díẹ̀. Torí gbogbo àwọn nọ́ọ̀sì, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe báyìí. Fún mi lábẹ́rẹ́, fún mi lábẹ́rẹ́. Torí mo ní malaria o, fún mi lábẹ́rẹ́. Torí mo ní malaria o, fún mi lábẹ́rẹ́. Fún mi lábẹ́rẹ́. Ọ̀sàmáyé, ó ń bẹ níbí. Torí mo ní malaria o, fún mi lábẹ́rẹ́. Southwest.
Just a moment, in 1 minute, we will return to. Thank you, thank you. We will return to enjoy more of the music very soon. Let's quickly make some recognitions and then we will continue with the rest of the program.
I would like to warmly welcome a senior special assistant to the governor of Ondo State, Barrister Alan Showore. He is the SSA on strategic communication. Thank you for coming.
Let me also quickly and humbly recognize and welcome the executive chairman, Akure South Local Government, who incidentally is also the chairman of Algon in Ondo State, Honorable Dr. Benga Fashua is here with his amiable wife. Thank you very much for coming. God bless you. Please celebrate Honorable Benga Fashua. I'd like to also welcome and recognize Honorable Adebari Adebayo, executive chairman, Ileoluji Okegbo is here with his amiable wife. Thank you very much. Let me also welcome Honorable Ayo Ajana and his amiable wife, that's the executive chairman, Agogo Southwest. I welcome all the chairpersons across the 18 local government areas of Ondo State, as well as all the vice chairmen across the 18 local government areas of Ondo State. In the same breath, let me also welcome and recognize and also celebrate all the secretaries of local government across the 18 local government areas of Ondo State.
I know
Sorry,
it's
just
season.
a moment. We want to tell everyone, we know we are celebrating, we know we are rejoicing, but please, let's spare this foyer. Let's spare this foyer. We do not appreciate anyone crossing the foyer where the VIPs are seated. And nǹkan sọ náà ni pé ijó ayọ̀ tí à ń jó ẹ jẹ́ kí a máa gbé kọjá àárín yìí torí ibi tí àwọn àlejò àti àwọn lọ́lá wa tí wọ́n jókòó sí ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Thank you very much.
It's a season of jubilation for us in the Southwest Zone. And so I know that I have noticed that there are women birth attendants, the Iyaloja and her association. I see a lot of people in the mood for celebration. Indeed, it calls for celebration. And so I'd like the band to continue with the light music. Thank you.
Hallelujah. Nítorí gbogbo àwọn tó wà níbí ni mo ṣe ń kọrin wípé. Gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ APC pátápátá mo kí yín, ọwọ́ yín lókè. Mo ní mo ránu gbà lábẹ́ igi àhébà. Mo ní mo ránu gbà ó lábẹ́ igi àánú. Gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ APC ìbànújẹ́ ti kẹ́rù rẹ̀, ó ti sá lọ. Ìdí èyí níwájú wáyọ̀ ìbànújẹ́ ó sì lọ rẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́. Ìdí nìyẹn ní kẹjọ kẹyọ ìbànújẹ́ ó sì lọ rọ̀ ìmọ̀. Wájú wáyọ̀ ṣẹ́ o, ẹgbẹ́ APC pátápátá. Wájú wáyọ̀ ṣẹ́ o. Nítorí màmá wa Tinubu olóríire. Senator Lurami Tinubu. Màmá wa Yétúndé, mo kí yín. Southwest leader, ẹ kú oríire. Ìjódìjí ẹgbẹ́ ìyálọ́jà APC pátápátá. Nítorí ẹgbẹ́ ìyálọ́jà mo ṣe ń kọrin wípé ẹgbẹ́ APC ìyálọ́jà ọwọ́ yín lókè. Òdùdú national chairman ẹgbẹ́ drivers mo kí yín pátápátá. Tímọ́tímọ́ Adétìmẹ́yìn mo kí ẹ. Ẹgbẹ́ ìyálọ́jà. Chief Mrs. Funke Adu ìyálọ́jà general mo kí ẹ. Ó yẹ gbóhùn sókè kẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ rí wípé màmá mo dúpẹ́ tó dá mi lóbìnrin. Ébà. Adétìmẹ́yìn ìkòkò ọbẹ̀ l'Ondo State. Alága bábàm Adùnmárì Mátòṣì nìyẹn. Adétìmẹ́yìn ó yẹ mo dúpẹ́ tó dá mi lóbìnrin. Tímọ́tímọ́ Adétìmẹ́yìn mo kí ẹ. Màmá ó yẹ ó dúpẹ́ tó dá ẹ lóbìnrin. Àwọn tó dúdú. National chairman gbogbo driver Tímọ́tímọ́ MC Olúọmọ. Mo dúpẹ́ tó dá wa lóbìnrin. Mo dúpẹ́ tó dá wa lóbìnrin. Tó dá wa lóbìnrin. Tẹ́ dá wa lóbìnrin. Ẹ ò dá wa fúyà jẹ. Dr. Ayọ̀délé Ọ̀sámáyé Olúwa ṣeun ṣeun. Mo kí ẹ. Nítorí Dr. Ọ̀sámáyé nítorí táwọn adé tí mẹ́yìn ló jẹ́ wípé ọ̀nàrẹ́bù akínmọ́yọ̀ olúwatóyìn ọmọ adé tí mẹ́yìn óyá ó ti lọ fún ìjù tóyìn ògo olúwa mi yọ ó ń yọ lára rẹ̀ o tímọ́tímọ́ MC olúọmọ àwọn tòdùdú connection mo kí ẹ. Olúwatóyìn ó yá máa bọ́ ó ti lọ fájú ògo olúwa mi yọ ó ń yọ lára rẹ̀ o. ẹgbẹ́ ìyálọ́jà APC pátápátá mo kí i àwọn tadé tì mẹ́yìn. Odile onítẹ̀mí àtàtà is ó máa lọ wẹ́rẹ́ ó máa ṣe sáriwo gbogbo àwọn women leader ìyálọ́jà APC pátápátá mo kí yín ìyálọ́jà ijó yín dà ẹ jẹ́ ká rí ébà. ìyálọ́jà APC mo kí yín. gbogbo ìyálọ́jà APC pátápátá nítorí ìyálọ́jà gbogbo ni mo ṣe ń kọrin wípé mo lẹ́ni tó dènà dèyìn kí Jésù gbèdè ébà. mo lẹ́ni tó dènà dèyìn kí Jésù gbèdè labalábá tó dìgbò lẹ́gùn aṣọ rẹ̀ á yá èmi yóò máa yọ̀ nínú Olúwa Olúwa ṣeun tó fèrè sí iṣẹ́ mi. gbogbo ìyálọ́jà ẹgbẹ́ ìyálọ́jà pátápátá ẹ máa wí pé mo ní mo lẹ́ni tó dènà dèyìn kí Jésù. labalábá tó dìgbò lẹ́gùn aṣọ rẹ̀ á yá èmi yóò máa yọ̀ nínú Olúwa Olúwa ṣe tó fèrè ọba tó ń ṣoore fẹ́. ìyálọ́jà APC bàbá ìwọ olóṣoore bẹ́ẹ̀ni tí òwò bẹ́ẹ̀ ó gbóṣùbà fún ọ bàbá. Dr. Ṣéun Sàmáyé ṣá máa dá kọjọkọjọ. Odidán máa rẹ o, odidán máa aráyé ẹ wá wò ó, odidán máa odidán máa rẹ o, odidán máa aráyé ẹ wá wò ó, odidán. Odidán máa rẹ o, odidán ìyálọ́jà aráyé ẹ wá wò ó, àwọn tí APC odidán máa rẹ o, odidán máa aráyé ẹ wá wò ó, odidán máa. Odidán máa rẹ o, odidán máa aráyé ẹ wá wò ó, odidán máa odidán máa rẹ o, odidán máa.
What a man can do. Really, what a man can do.
A woman would always do better.
I don't understand your own version. What a man can do.
A woman can do better. Thank
Okay,
you.
women, please do transfer.
We can. We will always do that. No,
I should
for a
send the
fact,
account number.
I'm super proud of the women in the
Women,
building.
please celebrate yourselves. Celebrate yourselves.
Thank you very much for making me proud.
Indeed, there's no exception to the abilities of women. And women, indeed, are the makers and molders of societies. It is our prayers that the Almighty God will continue to strengthen you and we continue to energize you as the backbones of our families and the backbone of the nation. Please celebrate yourselves once again.
I'd like to say at this juncture that for people whose minds are playing games with them and they just think that the two compares standing here, they look like a story in the Bible. David and somebody. I will not mention it, but I know that your mind is pricking you. This isn't David and Goliath. This is Oluwakemi Adeniyi and Sunday Kolawale on the microphone. Thank you for your time and audience. We'll kickstart this event in a few minutes. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you very much. Please let me also welcome and recognize Chief Busayo Fabanwo, representing Iyaloja General. Please celebrate her. Celebrate her. Thank you very much. The chairman, Nigerian Medical Association, Dr. Alonga is here. Thank you so much for coming. God bless you. Well, whoever is taller than me is too tall. And whoever is shorter than me is too short. Please put hands together for me now. Thank you very much. Kimo, are you too tall?
No, I'm not. I'm not as tall as you are. I'm not taller than men. And so, Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please note that we have to be seated. It is mandatory for you to be on a chair. You should be seated. If you do not have a chair, please ensure you step outside the hall where there are more seat reservation. Thank you.
Now, please let's also inform us that this foyer is exclusively preserved for the VIPs. And except for cameramen and the security agents, as well as protocol officers, we do not want to see anyone cross this foyer. Please, let's maintain the orderliness so that we could have a seamless moment in this event. Please, we are appealing to you. Please, let's make this place set aside, consecrated for the VIPs, please. Thank you very much.
I'd like to warmly welcome the Senior Special Assistant on Student Affairs to the Executive Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency, Honorable Dr. Lucky Orimison Ayedatiwa. Mr. Calvin Solomon Olaoluwa is here in our midst. Thank you for coming. We also have the Ondo State APC Northern Senatorial Woman Leader, Mrs. Mary Oluwale. Thank you, Mama, for coming. We have the Central Senatorial Woman Leader in Ondo State, Chief Mrs. Ronke Akindolie. And also, in that same vein, I would like to welcome the Ondo State APC Southern Senatorial Woman Leader, Chief Mrs. Mosun Odukale. Thank you, great leaders, for coming. We appreciate you. We have the Chairman, Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists of Nigeria, Ondo State Branch, Comrade Deji Akinlolu. Thank you for coming, sir. We appreciate you.
I dare say that we will be limiting the number of recognitions forthwith. Please, this will be the last set. Please, we recognize you all, we celebrate you. Please, I think we've done enough. Well, let me welcome the Chairman, Association of Medical Laboratory Scientists of Nigeria, Ondo State Branch, Comrade Deji Akinlolu. Thank you very much. That's the last but not the least. And we thank you so much for your understanding. every other person whose name might want to be transported here, please do not bother about the transport fare. Just keep it to yourself, please. We love you, we celebrate you, but please, I think we've done enough of all of these recognitions. We celebrate you, and please, be assured of our kind regards at every point in time. God bless you. Let's have more of the band as we await the arrival of Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Appreciation, mo dúpẹ́, oníbò rẹ̀ bàbá gbọ́ pẹ́ mi. Màmá wa Sẹ́nẹ́tọ̀ Olúrẹ̀mí Aya Tinubu. Ó dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba, ó ní kábíyèsí Ẹlẹ́dùmarè gbanigbani tí ayé ń sáyà. Ẹ ṣé appreciation èébà, mo dúpẹ́, oníbò rẹ̀ bàbá gbọ́ pẹ́ mi. Senator Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí àárín wa, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo. Appreciation, mo dúpẹ́, oníbù ọ̀rẹ́ bàbá gbọ́ pẹ́ mi. Nítorí First Lady, the Republic of Nigeria, Senator Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu, ló jẹ́ kí n kọrin wípé ẹni bá mọ̀nú rò ló lè mọ pé dá èmi yóò gbé ọ̀gá Olúwa. Ébà, Bolu Praise ló ń kọrin lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Senator Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu. Ẹni bá mọ̀nú rò ló lè mọ pé dá èmi yóò gbé ọ̀gá Olúwa. Orin tí màmá wa fẹ́ràn jù nìyẹn. Senator Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu. Orin tí wọ́n fẹ́ràn jù nìyẹn. Appreciation, ébà. Èmi mú ọrẹ, bàbá gbọ́ pẹ́. Nítorí màmá wa Olúrẹ̀mí Aya Tinubu ló mú mi kọrin wípé mo ní bí ènìyàn kọ́ lọ́lọ́run mi rí o. Ébà bí ènìyàn kọ́ lọ́lọ́run mi rí. Ó yá jùlẹ̀. Máa wọ̀wọ́ ẹ. Sinetọ Olúrẹ̀mí, màmá wa, Aya Tinubu, ó ní kí n kọrin wípé, ó ní kí n gbó sókè, ó ní Folú praise máa kọrin lọ. Ó ní bí ènìyàn kọ́ lọ́lọ́run mi rí o, ébà bí ènìyàn kọ́ lọ́lọ́run mi rí. Bí ènìyàn kọ́ lọ́lọ́run mi rí o, bí ènìyàn kọ́ lọ́lọ́run mi rí. Ẹ̀dá ló ń gbàgbé. Ébà. Olúwa kò gbàgbé ẹnì kankan. Màmá wa Sínátọ̀ Olúrẹ̀mí, Aya Tinubu. Mo ní ẹ̀dá ló ń gbàgbé. Olúwa kò gbàgbé ẹnì kankan. Bí ènìyàn kan lọ́lọ́run mi rí o. Ébà bí ènìyàn kan lọ́lọ́run mi rí. Ébà. Nítorí màmá wa, Sinetọ Olúrẹ̀mí, Aya Tinubu, ni mo ṣe ń kọrin wípé the First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, màmá wa Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu. Ṣá máa dá kọjọkọjọ, ó yá máa gbọ́. Àwọn kan ṣe bí Ọlọ́run ọba, wọ́n ní kò lè bọ́ sí ibi. Wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ ni bàbá bá mi ṣe. Wọ́n ní bí kò sí ẹ̀wọ̀n, wọ́n ní kò lè bọ́ sí ibi. Wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ ni bàbá mi. Ó yá wọ́n ní kò sáyé lókè, ó wáyé fún wa lókè. Ògbógbò fọ́lẹ̀ rẹ̀, ìyanu lórúkọ. Wọ́n ní kò sáyé lókè, ó wáyé fún mi lókè. Nítorí màmá wa, Sinetọ Olúrẹ̀mí, Aya Tinubu, the First Lady, Republic of Nigeria, ló mú mi kọrin wípé bó ṣe má ṣe nìyẹn, bó ṣe má ṣe nìyẹn, ó máa ṣẹrú dọba. Bó ṣe má ṣe nìyẹn, ó ṣẹrú dọba. Mo ní bó ṣe má ṣe nìyẹn, bó ṣe má ṣe nìyẹn, ó wá ṣẹrú dọba, ó wá ṣẹrú dọ pé sókè. Bó ṣe má ṣe nìyẹn, bó ṣe má ṣe nìyẹn, ó wá ṣẹrú dọba, ó má ṣẹrú dọ. Wọ́n ní kò sáyé lókè, ó wáyé fún mi lókè. Ọmọ kò fọ́lẹ̀ mi, ìyanu lórúkọ. Wọ́n ní kò sáyé lókè, ó wáyé fún mi lókè. Ọmọ kò fọ́lẹ̀ mi, ìyanu lórúkọ rẹ̀. Ó yá kò sáyé lókè, ó wáyé fún mi lókè. Ọmọ kò fọ́lẹ̀. Odile onítẹ̀mí àtàtà. Mrs. Odúṣọlá Olúṣèyí ọmọ wọn ní Lajẹ ọmọ wọn ní Màí ọmọ Àmàpẹ̀tù. Nítorí Odúṣọlá Olúṣèyí ló mú mi kọrin wípé máa gbà fún mi lọ Èdùmàrè tó bá kọ́ mi àṣírí àtú o. Olúṣèyí máa gbà fún mi lọ Èdùmàrè tó bá kọ́ mi àṣírí àtú o. Eba. Olúṣèyí Odúṣọlá ló ní kọrin wípé máa gbà fún mi lọ Èdùmàrè tó bá kọ́ mi àṣírí àtú o. Sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ máa gbà fún mi lọ Èdùmàrè tó bá kọ́ mi àṣírí àtú o. Nítorí gbogbo ìyálọ́jà APC tó wà níbí ẹ bá mi gbọ́wọ́ sókè. Gbogbo ìyálọ́jà pátápátápátá ìyálọ́jà APC mo kí yín. Nítorí ìyálọ́jà àti gbogbo state women leaders Mrs. Mojíṣọlá mo kí ẹ. Gbogbo lucky women state chairman engineer Adétìmẹ́yìn ọmọ wọn nídànrè. Nítorí engineer Adétìmẹ́yìn mo ṣe ń kọrin wípé óyá méṣe Jésù bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Engineer Adétìmẹ́yìn ọmọ wọn nídànrè. Ìdànrè mi ò lẹ́rù àfọmájá wẹ́wẹ́ méjì. Engineer Adétìmẹ́yìn mo kí ẹ. Nítorí Engineer Adétìmẹ́yìn ọmọ wọn nù dàn èyí. Àlẹ́ o mi wo ṣe bàmí Adétìmẹ́yìn mo rọ́wọ́ ẹ o wo ṣe. Àlẹ́ o mi nítorí Engineer Adétìmẹ́yìn tó sanwó mi lọ́wọ́. Ọmọ wọn nídànrè. Ìdànrè mi ò lẹ́rù. Jésù Kristi nẹ̀sán o ògì bẹ́yì. Àtọ́bàjáyé nẹ̀sán o ògì bẹ́yì. Engineer Adétìmẹ́yìn mo kí ẹ. Ọmọ wọn nídànrè. Lẹ́ ò bá mi. Jésù Kristi nẹ̀sán o ògì bẹ́yì o. Ayé wa o ayọ̀ wá pọ̀ o. Ìdànrè ni mo wà lọ́wọ́. Ilé Engineer Adétìmẹ́yìn ọmọ wọn nídànrè. Ó yá máa gbọ́. Ó lálá. APC state women leader Màmá Níjọ̀ká ọmọ wọn lóde Ìrèlè ó ń sanwó mi lọ́wọ́. Màmá Níjọ̀ká ọmọ wọn lóde Ìrèlè ó dìrèlè. Màmá ní jọ́kà, ó sanwó fólú praise lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Orí oyè pé. Ní jọ́kà, state chairman, women leader, ọmọ wọn ló dé ìrẹ̀lẹ̀. Níbi owó tí ho. Orí oyè gbé. Màmá ní jọ́kà, ó ń sanwó mi lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Station web leader, APC. Màmá ní jọ́kà, ó sanwó South women leader lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ó sanwó South West leader, South West women leader lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́.
Jẹ́ Akin kábọ̀ sí gbọ̀ngàn ti International Dome ní Ìgbàtòrò nílùú Àkúrẹ́. Gbàgbé ìyàwó ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Sẹ́nitọ̀ Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu ó ti wà nílùú Àkúrẹ́. Bákan náà ni wọ́n ti múra láti wọlé wa. Bákan náà ni gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo ọlọ́dọ́kì Orímisan Ayédàtiwa ti wà ní gbọ̀ngàn yìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí a sọ. Lọ níbi lẹ́mọ̀ láǹfààní láti mọ̀ wò lórí tẹlifíṣàn wa yẹn TV wa. Bákan náà lẹ́tọ̀ láǹfààní láti mọ̀ gbọ́ lórí rédíò àti tẹlifíṣàn àti àwọn rédíò wa méjèèjì ìyẹn Sunshine 96.5 FM àti 94.5 tí ó wà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Lákùrẹ́ olóyè bí ọdún ṣèbí gẹ́gẹ́ bí àtúntà àti ìlérí tí a ṣe fún yín. Ìyàwó ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè tó jẹ́ obìnrin àkọ́kọ́ lórílẹ̀-èdè àwọn ti wà ní gbọ̀ngàn àṣà láti wọ́n àwọn elétò ìlera wa ní nǹkan àmúyẹ tó tó ẹgbẹ̀rún mẹ́wàá gbogbo bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti ń wo lórí tẹlifíṣàn wa tẹ̀lé láǹfààní láti mọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ lórí tẹlifíṣàn wa. Ẹnì kejì mi bẹ̀lẹ́ gbẹ́ mi ẹ̀kì Aṣadé Gidan kó súnmọ́ mi síbi.
Thank you very much, Biodun Bolaji, for that. Yes, we are at the International Culture and Event Center, the Dome, Egbatoro Road, Akure, where Ondo State government is playing host to the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the wife of the President, Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, as she will be presenting 10,000 professional kits, frogs and scrubs to midwives in the southwest zone of Nigeria today. And you know the importance of the frogs and scrubs to the midwives, of course, to prevent the spread of diseases from patients to the nurses or from the nurses to the patients. And so this is so important to our health practitioner. Well, as the events unfolds today, we'll be bringing to you updates of the events as it unfolds today. So why not stay tuned to the services of Ondo State Radio Vision Corporation Television, OSRC, Orange 94.5 FM, and Sunshine 96.5 FM, Alalaye. Today, we'll be transmitting to you live from the Dome. Please stay tuned. My name is Folashade Ogidon.
Thank you. Please, we do not want all of these occupation of the foyer. Please, let's reserve this place for those who have one thing or the other to do here. And let's respect the dignitaries that are already here with us as we await the arrival of Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON. Please, we want orderliness. Cameramen, let's arrange ourselves Let's do all we can to maintain orderliness. Please. Thank you very much for the praise. We appreciate the patience of all, and we thank you for being here. But please, much more the more, we must sound this note again. Please, we do not appreciate the use of phones for videos. Nobody should use videos. Let me recognize and warmly welcome the wife of the Deputy President of the Senate. Please welcome with me, Haji Allah Barau. You're welcome. Thank you very much for coming. Please celebrate her, celebrate her. Celebrate her, please, celebrate her. On those stage, please, let's do it. Celebrate her, celebrate her. Thank you. I'm also glad to inform you that we have the Honorable Minister of State, Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Isiaq Adekunle Salako. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister, for joining us. Please celebrate Honorable Minister of State for Health and Social. Thank you very much. Let me respectfully welcome and recognize the Executive Director, Chief Executive Officer, National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Muyi Aino. Thank you very much for coming. Please celebrate him, celebrate him. Put your hands together, please.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of us to the Renewed Hope Initiative Health Program, the presentation of 10,000 professional kits, crocs and scrubs to midwives in the geopolitical zone of the Southwest by the First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremu Tinubu, CON. And I would like to recognize and miss this day the Speaker, Ondo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Olamide Oladiji, ably represented by Honorable Princess Olawumi Fayemi Obayelu, Member House of Assembly, representing Ilaje Constituency 2. I recognize you, Mr. Speaker. You are welcome. And by extension, let me recognize Honorable Ololadegbe Gudu, Member representing Okitipupa Constituency 2, Honorable Primate Allen Oluwatoyi, Member representing Eseodo Constituency. I recognize you, honorable members. You are welcome. I would also like to recognize the members of the State Executive Council here present. I will use as a point of respect the special advisor, Professor Simidele Odimayo. I recognize you, Prof. You are welcome. We also have with us this day the former Deputy Governor of Ondo State, Alhaji Lasisi Oluboyo. I recognize you, sir. You are welcome. I would also like to recognize and use as a point of respect to all the chairmen of boards, agencies, and parastatals. Right Honorable Victor Adekoye Olabinton. So I'll use it as a point of respect to all the chairmen of boards and parastatals in our midst. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to recognize especially our own Jagaban in Ondo State, the chairman of the largest party in Africa, Baba Awomowewe, Engineer Dr. Ade Timei. I recognize you, sir. You are welcome. I would also like to recognize in our midst the women leader of APC in Ondo State, Mrs. Stella Lijoka. I will use her as a point of respect to all the members of the State Working Committee of APC. I recognize you, sir, as you are welcome. I would also like to recognize in no particular order, our distinguished senator is hiding his face somewhere there. I will ask that the protocol bring you to the middle, sir. Distinguished Senator Adeni Adegmomiri, Senator representing Ondo Central Senatorial District. In the Green Chamber, I recognize you, sir. You're welcome. Let me recognize former Commissioner for Women Affairs and Social Development in Ondo State. And I'll start with our grandma, Lady Lydia Olafumiloye. Mommy, I recognize you, ma. You are welcome. We also have with us Mrs. Kende Momo. I recognize you, ma. You are welcome. Professor Yemi Mahmood. I recognize you, ma. You are welcome. I would also like to recognize in our midst Dr. Princess Adebumi Oshadam. I recognize you, ma. You are welcome. I would also like to recognize Mrs. Yinka Alabi, former Commissioner for Women Affairs and Social Development in Ondo State, and now the Chairman, Ondo State Waste Management Authority. I recognize you, ma'am. You are welcome. We also have with us Deaconess Lola Fagbemi, the immediate past Commissioner for Women Affairs and Social Development in Ondo State. I would also like to recognize our former member, Ondo State House of Assembly, Honorable Fola Vincent. I recognize you, ma. You are welcome. Let me recognize another former member, Ondo State House of Assembly, Honorable Sunday Olajide. I recognize you, sir. You are welcome. And in that role, we have the immediate past Special Advisor to Mr. Governor on Gender, Chief Olamide Falano. I recognize you, ma'am. You are welcome. Sitting next to her is Commissioner, Ondo State Local Government Service Commission, Honorable Mrs. Ronke Ojo. I recognize you, ma'am. You are welcome. Let me recognize the presence of the Director General, Ondo State Media Group, Mr. Kenneth Stevenson Odushola. I recognize you, sir. You are welcome. And on that line, I will use as a point of respect to all senior special assistants in the house because of our time. Let me use Honorable Femi Fadairo, Senior Special Assistant to Mr. Governor on Community Engagement Center. Sir, I'll use it as a point of respect to all the Senior Special Assistant to Mr. Governor in the house. I recognize you, sir. We have with us this day the Chairman, National Union of Road Transport Workers, Comrade Ademola Odudu, Up National, Tire Roll, You Chop Alone. I recognize you, sir. You are welcome. The women leader for the Southern Senatorial District of Ondo State, Honorable Mrs. Mosu Odukale. I recognize you, ma. You are welcome. Let me recognize Mrs. Titi Alao, Mama Grace Animola, the mama of APC in Ondo State. I recognize you, ma. You are welcome. I would like to recognize Honorable Adenike Olawoye, known and addressed as Mama Asherere. Mama, I recognize you, ma. The list is endless. I recognize all beautiful women in Ondo State. You are all welcome, mas. The members, chairmen of our local government, from the 18 local government of Ondo State, all council chairmen in the house, let me use as a point of respect to all of you, sirs, the chairman of Algon in Ondo State, who is also the chairman of Akure South local government, Honorable Benga Donald Fashua, I'll use you, sir, as a point of respect to all the chairmen of local government in Ondo State. Chairmen and committee members of LCDAs, are we in the house? I recognize you, sirs and ma'ams, you're welcome. Vice chairman of local government, let me use as a point of respect to all vice chairmen in the house. The vice chairman of Ifedore, where is she seated? Ma'am, I use you as a point of respect to all the vice chairmen in the house. You are all welcome. Permanent secretaries in our midst, I recognize you. Let me use the chairman of the Forum of Permanent Secretaries, Chief Bumialade, as a point of respect to all permanent secretaries, administrative secretaries, chairman, I recognize you. You are all welcome. We have with us this day the right-hand man of Mr. Governor, the Chief of Staff to Mr. Governor. A very handsome man, quiet, always paying attention to details. Prince Shegun Omojua, I recognize you, sir. You are welcome. I would like to recognize in our midst this day the son of the soil, the Executive Director, Corporate Services, NDDC, Honorable Ifedayo Abegunde. Where is Daddy seated? I recognize you, sir. You are welcome. We also have with us, for the people, sir. I recognize you, sir. Let me recognize member representing Ondo State on the board of NDDC, Honorable Otito Atikashe. I recognize you, sir. You are welcome.
Thank you very much. Let me respectfully, from the fountain of knowledge, welcome and recognize Our Excellency, the First Lady of Ekiti State, one who is not just beautiful but also diligent, resourceful, cerebral. Please welcome with me Dr. Oyebanji. Please put your hands together as we celebrate the First Lady of Ekiti State. Thank you so much for joining us, Your Excellency. God bless you, ma. We are happy that indeed we are able to have with us Nigeria here today, because we have Nigeria here with us. Let's celebrate all our amiable mothers. And already with us, we have the First Lady of the State, Our Excellency, Dr. Olayemi Oyebanji. Please celebrate her once again. Celebrate her, please. Ekiti ilẹ̀ oyì, ilẹ̀ yẹni, ìbá ń pàtẹ́wọ́ kò yé mi. Ìpàtẹ́wọ́ kò yé mi dáadáa. Thank you very much. I also like to celebrate all of our mothers that are already here with us, who are also here to celebrate the impactful presentation of these professional kits by Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi Tinubu CON. It's very important that we do rise, everyone, as we celebrate and welcome our dignitaries into this auditorium. Distinguished guests, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, shall we please rise as we welcome Our Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, one who has always been caring, impactful, resourceful, dutiful, diligent, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu CON. Please keep celebrating her, keep celebrating her, keep celebrating her, keep celebrating her, keep celebrating her. Celebrate Her Excellency the Ondo State way. Easily. Easily. As we welcome Her Excellency to the Sunshine State, the state of ease, where everything happens easily. heartily. Celebrate our excellency. Celebrate our excellency. Thank you very much. She's here with the Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Dr. Lucky Orimiso Ayedatiwa. The band, praise.
Mama, oh, mama, oh, mama, oh. Olúwa dá màmá sí fún wa. Mama, oh, mama, oh, mama, oh. Olúwa dá màmá sí fún wa. Mama, oh, mama, oh, mama, oh. Olúwa dá màmá sí fún wa. Mama, oh, mama, oh. Olúwa dá màmá sí fún wa. Mama, oh, mama, oh, mama rere. Olúwa dá màmá sí fún wa. Olúwa dá màmá sí fún wa. Mama, oh, mama, oh, mama rere. K'Olúwa dá màmá sí fún wa.
Thank you very much. Shall we have the national anthem to be led by the multiple award-winning Emerald Group? Ondo State Anthem, please. Ondo State Anthem. Thank you very much, Your Excellencies. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please shall we be seated? Let us welcome warmly Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to the Sunshine State, a state where development is the order of the day. Let's welcome an impactful, resourceful, diligent, and a concerned First Lady for the health of our people, Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON. Please celebrate, 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 celebrate. Ondo State, welcome the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We love you, ma. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, we thank you for coming to Ondo State for the Southwest Geopolitical Zone for the presentation of professional kits for our health workers. And we do appreciate you that indeed you're walking the talk that pregnancy will no longer be a death sentence in Nigeria. Please celebrate the First Lady once again. Let us also welcome and recognize one who will describe as the chief host today, His Excellency, the Governor of the ever forward-looking, ever productive state. I'm talking about Ondo State, the land of ease. Please welcome His Excellency, Honorable Dr. Lucky Orimiso Ayedatiwa is here with his amiable wife, Her Excellency, Mrs. Esther Oluwaseun Ayedatiwa. Celebrate Her Excellency. Celebrate Her Excellency. You're welcome. Let me welcome Thank you very much. We are all lucky. Thank you very much. God bless you. Let's welcome and recognize the wife of the Deputy President of the Senate. Let's welcome Hajia Laila Barao. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please celebrate. Do it the Ondo State way. Do it the Ondo State way. Our Excellency, the First Lady, understand that this is Southwest. So let's do it the Southwest way. Thank you very much. Let's also recognize and welcome the... Thank you. The Deputy Governor of Ondo State is also here with his amiable wife, His Excellency, Honorable Dr. Olaide Adelami MNI is there with his amiable wife, Her Excellency. Thank you very much. Let me welcome the Honorable Minister of State, Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Ishak Adekunle Salako. Honorable Minister, thank you for coming. God bless you. Let me welcome the Executive Director and Chief Executive, National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Muyi Aino. Thank you for coming. God bless you. I'm glad to once again welcome the First Lady of Ondo State, Her Excellency, Mrs. Esther Oluwaseun Ayedatiwa. Thank you. Let me welcome the First Lady. Thank you. Let me welcome the First Lady of the State, Her Excellency, Dr. Olayemi Oyebanji. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for coming. God bless you. The First Lady of Osrc State is here, Her Excellency, Chief Mrs. Titi Lola Adeleke. Thank you for coming, Your Excellency. God bless you.
I would also like to recognize the presence of the First Lady, Gombe State, Hajia Asmau Inua Yahaya. I recognize you, ma'am. You're welcome. We also have the First Lady, Kaduna State, Her Excellency, Hajia Hafsat Ubasoni. We also have the First Lady, Jigawa State, Her Excellency, Hajia Hadiza Umar Namadi. We also have with us the First Lady, Borno State, Her Excellency, Dr. Falmata Babagana Umar Sulum. I would also like to recognize the First Lady, Nasarawa State, Hajia Silifat Abudlai Suli. You are all welcome, Mas, to the Sunshine State.
Thank you very much. The Renewed Hope Initiative is the brainchild of Her Excellency, the First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, and so many things we've been doing to make life easier for Nigerians, especially at a time like this when we must not look the side way, but we must do the needful. Please let us once again celebrate Her Excellency. Today, as she will be presenting 10,000 professional kids to midwives in the Southwest Zone, and then Akure here, Ondo State Capital, is the location for it. Once again, let me welcome and recognize His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Ondo State, Dr. Olaide Adelami, and his amiable wife. Thank you very much. I'd like to also recognize the coordinator of the Renewed Hope Initiative in Ondo State, Dr. Sheon Bosede Osamaye. Thank you very much. God bless you.
We also have with us the Speaker, Ondo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Olamide Oladiji, ably represented by Princess Honorable Olawumi Fayemi Obayelu. I recognize you, Mr. Speaker. You are welcome. The Secretary to the Government of Ondo State, Dr. Taiwo Fashoranti. The Chairman of APC in Ondo State, Engineer Ade Adetimehin. And the Women Leader APC in Ondo State, Mrs. Lijoka. I recognize you, the Chief of Staff to Mr. Governor, Prince Shegun Omojua. You are all welcome, sir. Distinguished Senator Adegbomire, Senator representing Ondo Central Senatorial District. We recognize you, sir. You are welcome. The Executive Director, Corporate Services, NDDC, Honorable Ifedayo Abegunde, I recognize you, sir. And I will use as a point of respect the CP Ondo State, CP Wilfred Afolabi. So I will use it as a point of respect to all the heads of security agencies in Ondo State. We are all welcome.
Because of our time, Your Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellency, the Governor of Ondo State, all other excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we will have to move ahead in the agenda of the program today, as it will be time for the address of welcome to be delivered by His Excellency, the wife of Ondo State Governor, the First Lady of Ondo State, Her Excellency, beautiful, dutiful, diligent, highly cerebral, Mrs. Esther Oluwaseun Ayedatiwa. Let me quickly recognize the Renewed Hope Initiative Coordinator FCT, Dr. Dayo Benjamin. Thank you very much. Celebrate Her Excellency, celebrate Her Excellency.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can we have our seats, please? That's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let's have our seat, please. Let's be seated. Thank you. The First Lady, Federal of Nigeria, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, National Chairman, Renewed Hope Initiative, wife of the Deputy Senate, Senate President, Ajia Laila Barau, the Governor of Ondo State, my husband, Dr. Lucky Ayedatiwa. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Let's continue, please. Thank you. I would like to acknowledge the presence of all the some First Ladies in our midst. Ekiti State First Lady, Her Excellency, Dr. Olayemi Oyebanji. Osun State First Lady, Her Excellency, Chief Mrs. Titilola Adeleke, Oyo State First Lady, Her Excellency Engineer Sami Makinde, Lagos State First Lady, Her Excellency Dr. Mrs. Claudia Ibijoke Sanwo-Olu, Ogun State First Lady, Her Excellency Mrs. Bamidele Abiodun, First Lady of Gombe State, Her Excellency Ajia Asmau Inu Yahaya, Jigawa State First Lady, Her Excellency Adiza Namadi, First Lady of Kaduna State, Her Excellency Ajia Afsat Sani, First Lady of Borno State, Her Excellency Dr. Falmat Umar Sulum, First Lady of Nasarawa State, Her Excellency Ajia Silifat Sule. Also in our midst this afternoon, I would like to recognize the presence of Honorable Minister of State, Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Isiaq Adekunle Salako, EDCO Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Muyi Aina, wives of ministers, Senator Adeniyi Adegbomire, Senator representing Odo Central, wives of senators and members of House of Representatives, wives of security chiefs, using the wives of National Security Advisor, Ajia Ribadu, as a point of contact, and respect the Executive Council member of Ondo State. I welcome you all. It is with deep sense of honor and heartfelt gratitude that I welcome Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, OON, CON, the wife of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to our dear state for the official flag-off of the distribution of 10,000 professional kits, scrubs, and crocs to nurses and midwives in the southwest geopolitical zone of the country, and Free to Shine, a triple elimination campaign of HIV, AIDS, syphilis, and hepatitis among women of reproductive age, elimination of mother-to-child transmission, and treatment of Nigeria born with HIV AIDS. I must also appreciate you, Ma, for the choice of our Sunshine State to host this laudable two-day program for the Southwest region. It is indeed a demonstration of your motherly love and care for us as a people, and this will remain evergreen in our collective memory. Your Excellency, this intervention under the Renewed Hope Initiative program will complement the federal government's ongoing efforts to ensure that quality healthcare system is accessible to all women and the vulnerables in the country. Permit me, Your Excellency, to state that this intervention will also go a long way to enhance maternal and child health care across Lagos, Ogun, Oyo, Osun, Ondo, and Ekiti State, which constitutes the Southwest region. Your Excellency, I sincerely appreciate you for recognizing that the demands of the health professional requires not only skills and compassion, but also the right tools and kits to encourage our midwives as they serve others. This incentive will go a long way to encourage, inspire, and support our dedicated midwives and reduce infant mortality and morbidity in the country. I therefore urge the beneficiaries to see this as a call to serve, bring hope and cares to mothers, newborns, and the vulnerable across the region. You should strive to justify this benefit by working hard to ensure improved health outcome in our country, Nigeria. Permit me also to express my profound appreciation to the essay to Mr. Governor, Women Affairs and Social Development, who is the Renew Hope Initiative Coordinator in Ondo State. That is Dr. Sheung Osamaye. Thank you so much for all your efforts. It is well appreciated. Thank you. And also to the good women of Ondo State for coming out in your large numbers to receive our caring mother, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, OON, CON, the wife of the President. You have, by your presence, added dignity and colors to this ceremony. Your Excellency, we are truly inspired by this visit. Once again, and on behalf of the good women and people of Ondo State, I welcome you most warmly to our dear Sunshine State. Thank you and God bless. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. We appreciate you. Thank you very much, Mama Ondo State. Moving on quickly, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Would like to move on quickly. Can we move on quickly? Thank you, great women of Ondo State. Thank you very much. Thank you. The great women of Ondo State, thank you very much. We'll need to move on because of our time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you for coming, Mama. Your Excellencies, the First Lady of the various states that we have, thank you all for coming. Would like to move on quickly, and now I'd like to invite to the microphone for the general overview of today's program, the Renewed Hope Initiative Health Program. I'd like to invite Dr. Muyi Aino, the Executive Director, Chief Executive Officer, National Primary Healthcare Development Agency. A warm round of applause for him as he steps forward. Thank you very much for coming, sir.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, Ma, our mother, and the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the chairperson of the Renewed Hope Initiative, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON. Your Excellency, wife of the Deputy Senate President, Haji Alaila Barau. Your Excellency, sir, Executive Governor of Ondo State, Dr. Lucky Orimison Ayedatiwa, and your beautiful and eloquent wife, Mrs. Oluwaseun Ayedatiwa. All First Ladies here seated of many states already recognized, members of the National Assembly here present, distinguished senators and honorable members, and the wives, My boss, the Honorable Minister of State for Health, Dr. Isiaq Adekunle Salako, here seated, the Director General of the National AIDS Control Agency, other heads of federal parastatals and top executives, Honorable Commissioner for Health for Ondo State and other commissioners for health, as well as executive council members of states present, heads of state primary healthcare development agencies, our revered traditional leaders and religious leaders, members of the press, our esteemed beneficiaries, nurses and midwives, ladies and gentlemen. Please pardon me if I have omitted something. I would like to crave your indulgence, to stand on the established protocol. Today marks yet another opportunity for all of us in the primary healthcare system to enjoy this unprecedented generosity of our dear First Lady, Senator Oluremi Tinubu CON. Your Excellency, you have continued to empower and motivate our trained frontline health workers, particularly midwives, with the donation of 10,000 professional kits to midwives in each zone. This intervention being done through the Renewed Hope Initiative is a demonstration of Her Excellency's commitment to achieving universal access to health care for all of us. The support aligns with the goal of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. His resolve to rapidly reduce maternal and child mortality and to expand access to quality health services for all Nigerians, whoever we are and wherever we live. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to report that this is the 5th zone that Her Excellency is visiting to present these professional kits to our midwives. The North Central, the Northwest, the South-South zones, and the Northeast. Just last week, we were in Taraba, where the midwives received their own donation. Your Excellency, we are truly grateful as this donation is impacting positively on our efforts to ensure that all Nigerians have access to equitable, affordable, and quality healthcare services as a key dividend of democracy and in line with Mr. President's commitment to Nigerians. And as you mentioned in your earlier remark in the earlier meeting with the traditional leaders, the midwives are already reporting the benefits of this. It's motivating them, it's boosting their safety and infection control. Permit me, your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to again say that Nigeria has never had it so good. To have a president that is committed truly to ensuring that we all enjoy good quality health services. This is evidenced by the increase year on year, substantially as well, of the health budget, which is enabling us to pursue vigorously the Nigeria Health Sector Renewal Investment Initiative. This past year, with the resources that have reached us as part of this increased investment, the National Primary Health Care has worked with all of you to embark on many reforms, working under the leadership of our Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, but with all of our MDAs, with the states and partners. We are doing several things. For the PHC, Primary Health Center Revitalization, we have pursued aggressively an agenda to improve the quality of our health centers. And over the last year, I'm happy to report that 862 primary health centers have been upgraded to level 2 full functionality status across the country. 230 of these are in the Southwest zone, and 348 additional ones are ongoing that will be completed in the next few months in the Southwest zone. In fact, in Ondo, I can confirm to you that with Your Excellency working with your team through the Impact Project, 109 PHCs are currently being revitalized. We have also retrained 60,470 of our frontline health workers across the country, the 36 states and FCT, on integrated primary health care service delivery. Of these, 8,443 were trained in the Southwest zone and 1,166 in Ondo alone, some of them seated here. undoubtedly. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, it is pertinent to emphasize that this donation of this kit really supports this retraining program. We all know that, or we have heard that Mr. President is the ambassador, the African Union ambassador for community health workers, and he has mandated us to retrain 120,000 health workers over 4 years. The training itself is a 10-day program for frontline health workers, which include nurses, midwives, community health workers, and even doctors that are full-time government employees. We do this in batches so that the facilities are not shut down, and it is to equip the health workers with the knowledge and skills that they need to provide the quality of care that we need. We're also transitioning that, following this initial wave, into an e-learning system that is more sustainable and more convenient for the health workers. In terms of service delivery over the last year, the utilization, access to services in the primary health centers has increased substantially. There are now about 20 million service encounters every quarter in the primary health centers across the country, which is substantial. We have increased the number of women that are being cared for. We have increased the proportion of births that are served by skilled birth attendants. We are also fortunate that, the human papilloma virus vaccine was introduced by Mr. President in October, and 13 million young girls in Nigeria have been vaccinated, thereby protected for the rest of their lives from the risk of cervical cancer. In addition, malaria vaccine has been introduced. We started with 2 states, Kebbi and Bayelsa, where we can learn and expand from there. Addressing maternal mortality directly, the federal government has identified 172 local governments, priority local governments, that account for over half of maternal deaths in Nigeria. And we are implementing a program called the Maternal Mortality Innovation Initiative there, MAMI program. And 5 of those local governments are in Ondo State. Your Excellency, Ma, on behalf of all of us in the primary healthcare family, at the federal level, National Primary Healthcare FMOH, at the state level, at the communities, the nurses, the midwives, we want to say thank you for this batch of non-financial incentives of 10,000 scrubs and uniforms to midwives in the Southwest Zone. This is going to further motivate our health workers and encourage them to give their best. I call on Your Excellency, sir, as a contact to the other governors in the region and all leaders, frankly, to also extend a hand of support to the primary healthcare system and the frontline health workers in particular. Your support, no matter how little, can make a difference in ensuring that when we do need services, we get what we need. Your Excellency, ma, I assure you, and the good people of Ondo State and the Southwest in general, that my colleagues and I at the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency will work with all of the state governments, the state primary healthcare development agencies, to make sure that these tools that you have generously provided will be put to appropriate use by the midwives. My appreciation goes to the Ondo State government, Your Excellency, sir, to all of the representatives from the other Southwest states, the Renewed Hope initiative that continues to do this, and all of our distinguished stakeholders for your commitment towards improving health of all of us. I also want to thank our frontline health workers, our midwives, our nurses. Thank you for all you're doing, and I'm hoping, yes, I'm hoping that this donation from Her Excellency is testament to you that our mother remembers you. She sees you and she's thinking of you and will encourage you to do more. Before I sit down, Your Excellency, please permit me to appreciate your very hardworking technical team who continue to work assiduously behind the scenes to make sure these events happen and are successful. Thank you all, and God bless.
Thank you very much, Dr. Muyaino, the ED CEO, National Primary Healthcare Development Agency. The general overview is so detailed. We appreciate you, sir. Your Excellencies, all other parts of the protocols are respectfully observed. At this point, we want to have a rendition, and I would like to bring to the microphone Mr. Olaoye Owolabi. While he's making his way to the podium, let me recognize the Director General, National Agency for the Control of AIDS, NACA, Dr. Temitope Ilori. You're welcome to the Sunshine Sip, Dr. Ilori.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Tinubu o máa báṣẹ́ rẹ̀ lọ ayédàtiwa máa báṣẹ́ rẹ̀ lọ iṣẹ́ ẹ̀yìn mà tẹ́ wá lọ́rùn o Tinubu o máa bá iṣẹ́ ẹ̀yìn mà tẹ́ wá lọ́rùn o. Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu o aya kan bí ẹ̀sán o tó mórí ọ̀la wáyé mo kí màmá mi onínúure mo kí yín wípé ẹ ǹlẹ́ ń bẹ̀ ń ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Sunshine State. Wọ́n ní bómi bá balẹ̀ á nípa ọ̀wàrà òjò balẹ̀ á ta sàràsàrà bá a bá rẹ́rìn ká sọ pé a rẹ́rìn àjànàkú kọjá mo rí nǹkan fìrí àlejò ńlá wọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo wá èmi ọ̀màròyé tí mo fẹ́ sọ nípa ìyá mi Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu ìyàwó first ìyàwó Tinubu màmá mi wọn ni mò ń ké sí tọ́ba tìjòyè tó lórí tẹlẹ́lùmù ní mí sí orí tó ti rí ṣe nígbà ayé ìyá mi ìgbà ayé ọkọ wọn gan wọn ò lóǹkà mélòó la fẹ́ kà nínú eyín Adépèlé mélòó ni mo fẹ́ sọ nínú iṣẹ́ rere tí màmá mi Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu ti gbé ṣe nígbà tí wọ́n jẹ́ ìyàwó gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó ní ọdún 1999/2007 màmá ẹ ṣe gudugudu méje màmá ẹ ṣe yàyà mẹ́fà ìdí nìyẹn tí gbogbo àwọn Èkó tí wọ́n fi panu pọ̀ ìyẹn Lagos Central Senatorial District wọ́n ní kí màmá kán lọ sojú àwọn nílùú Àbújá màmá tún débẹ̀ ní ọdún méjìlá tí wọ́n lò màmá ṣe gudugudu méje wọ́n ṣe yàyà mẹ́fà ìtọ́jú opó màmá àbí máa parọ́ ìtọ́jú àwọn àkàndá ẹ̀dá ìtọ́jú àwọn aláìníyàá màmá ń ṣe fónílé wọ́n ń ṣe fàlejò wa màmá mi Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu dá púpọ̀ màmá mi bàbá mi ń kọ́ná àkànbí ẹ̀sọ́ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ṣé bàbá mi ń bẹ lálàáfíà ara màmá tó ń mí tọ́látọ́lá bàbá olóríire ẹgẹrẹ mi tìtì ń bẹ nílùú Àbújá tí ò ní wó láéláé oníṣẹ́ òfin olórí pípé ọlọ́pọlọ gidi bàbá mi tó joyè bíi 12 pọ̀ bàbá mi ooo gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo Lucky orí mi sàn ayédatiwa orúkọ nílò ni orúkọ ro bàbá mi onínúure gómìnà tó dórí ipò tó ṣèso ńlá ọkọ̀ olúwa ṣeun Esther ó dórí ipò ó ṣèṣore àwọn àṣeyọrí tẹ́ ti ṣe lẹ́nu ìgbà tẹ́ débẹ̀ yìí kò ló ń kà bàbá ẹ ti sọgbódilé ẹ ti sọgbẹ́dìgboro ẹ tún ti ṣàtàndọjà òṣèlú yín ó wù wá kèrèmí kan mo ní ẹ máa báṣẹ́ yín lọ kẹ́ ẹ má ṣe fòyà ẹ̀yin àti bàbá mi mo kí yín púpọ̀ ẹ wò ó mi ò ní táìmù torí wọ́n ti fún mi ní àkókò pélénjé gbogbo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn ẹ jẹ́ àjọ kọrin lápapọ̀ ẹ̀yin olórin mi ẹ̀yin onílù mi ẹ bá mi dákẹ́ máa sọ wípé ìgbà ayé bàbá mi Tinubu á dára fún ọ ìgbà ayé bàbá mi Lucky orí mi sàn á dára fún ọ máa sọ wípé láyé wọn láyé wọn màá fọwọ́ mi méjèèjì máa fi gbáre mú o láyé wọn láyé wọn màá fọwọ́ mi méjèèjì máa fi gbáre mú o orí yín ò ní burú o ẹ sàmí kí n gbọ́ orí yín ò ní gbàbọ̀dè orí ló gbé Lucky tí wọ́n fi débi tí wọ́n dé orí ò ní gbé ọ débi ìsátìsàbá gbogbo bí ọba ń dé kọ́ máa jẹ́bi re gbogbo ọ̀nà tó ọba ti rìn kọ́ máa jọ́ náà rìn là ẹni tó bá ti fojú kan yá mi Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu ó ti soríire mo rí yín lónìí mo ti soríire ìyá mi o aya Excellency wa ìyàwó Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu mo kí yín púpọ̀.
Thank you very much. a renowned broadcaster, Mr. Olaoye Owolabi. This shows there's ability in disability. We appreciate you. God bless you.
Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to observe all protocol duly. At this juncture, I would like to invite to the microphone Dr. Isaac Adekunle Salako, the Honorable Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare. A warm round of applause for him as he steps forward to give his remarks. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Her Excellency, the wife of the President of Nigeria, wife of my boss, my leader, my father, the National Chairman, Renew Health Initiative, member steering committee of the Organization of African First Ladies for Development, and for us in the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, the chief champion for the health of ordinary Nigerians, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON. The wife of the Deputy Senate President, Her Excellency Ajia Leila Barau, His Excellency, the lucky, ever-shining governor of the Sunshine State of Ondo State, Dr. Lucky Orimisan Ayedatiwa, and his very amiable wife, First Lady of Ondo State, Her Excellency Mrs. Esther Oluwaseun Ayedatiwa, wife of other governors across the Federation here present, National Assembly members here present, wives of National Assembly members, ministers, and other top government functionaries, the ED of the Primary Healthcare Development Agency, top government functionaries. Let me especially recognize our frontline health workers, and of course, the great women of Ondo State, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I bring warm greetings, Your Excellency, and profuse appreciation from all of us in the health sector for Your Excellency's unwavering commitment to uplift the health and the well-being of Nigerians, especially our mothers and children. We in the health sector have designated Your Excellency as the chief champion for the health of ordinary Nigerians. And you are indeed the champion for the health of Nigerians, because you are championing the elimination of tuberculosis from our country. You are championing elimination of cervical cancer from Nigeria. You are frontal and promoting immunization. You are championing the control of HIV/AIDS, hepatitis, syphilis in our country. You are promoting maternal and child health. You are championing menstrual hygiene, especially for our young girls. You are intervening for better nutrition for our people. You are providing social safety nets through empowerment of the elderly and our women. You are indeed the chief champion for the health of ordinary Nigerians. We want to sincerely appreciate Your Excellency for the priority attention being given to the health sector by the Renew Hope initiative as a valuable complement of the agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, that all Nigerians must have access to the healthcare they need at any point in time without facing financial hardship. Many may not realize the importance and significance of what we are doing here today. Your Excellency, according to the Midwifery Council of Nigeria, we have only about 154,000 registered midwives. Your Excellency has set out to empower, to motivate about 40% of the registered midwives in our country. It is indeed a milestone. What you are doing, Your Excellency, is creating a critical mass of motivated and empowered professionals that can help us to deliver on the agenda of Mr. President, that by 2027, we will have reduced maternal mortality rate and under 5 mortality rate by at least 15 and 20 respectively in our country. We appreciate these very impactful roles to deliver on the maternal and child health agenda of Mr. President, and I feel personally honored to be part of this presentation, the 5th in the series. I salute our midwives for their dedication and service to Nigeria. Thank you, ma'am. Your skill, your experience, your sacrifice, your patience, your passion are all well recognized and greatly appreciated. Once again, I appreciate the mother of our nation, Her Excellency Senators Oluremi Tinubu, your very diligent and supportive partner, the wife of the Vice President, Hajiya Nana Shetima, all the wives of our governors, all the wives of top government functionaries, and everybody working around this initiative to halt all deaths of mothers and children at birth and ensure the survival of Nigerian children. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare. Please celebrate him once again. Celebrate him, celebrate him. Do it in those State ways. Celebrate him. Thank you very much, Your Excellencies. Very soon, the Governor of Ondo State will be mounting the podium to give his own remarks. But before then, with the kind permission of Your Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we want to have a very brief role play to showcase the good work you're doing. It's going to be just for a few minutes, and then thereafter we'll have the Governor of Ondo State come up with his own remarks. Please, let's welcome the role players as they come up for their performance. Thank you.
Nurse Pepeye, a quack nose. You allow my sister to die. I will make sure that you rot in jail. You this stupid woman. Shade. Laye me. Shade. See, I will make sure I will report you to women affair. You this stupid woman.
Hello, how are you?
It's been a long while. I've not been seeing you on the street. Where have you been?
I've been in school.
You don't mean it. School? I only had 6-month training. I'm a certified nurse. I'm catching out real good. You know, I've been delivering baby. I work at Agbola Hospital. Don't you know the hospital? I can even take you to my boss. See, we deliver twins, triplets, and I'm catching out real good. You're wasting your time, my friend.
What? 6 months? Yes. Where? How? You're a quack. You take deliveries. Do you know the mechanism of normal labor?
What are you talking about? Which one is mechanism again? I don't know anything. Baby come out, I deliver baby, and that's all.
You said you take deliveries. Yet you don't care about the series of movement that the baby undergoes when negotiating through the birth canal to the outside world. How then do you take the deliveries? To even understand the mechanism of labor, you have to know the landmarks on the pelvis, the ilioperitoneal eminence, the symphysis pubis, the sacrum promontory, the sacroiliac joint, the inlet of the pelvis, the cavity of the breast, the outlet of the pelvis. You said you take deliveries. Do you even know that there are landmarks on the fetus core? The sinciput, the occiput, the biparietal bone. Yet you take deliveries. So even though this mechanism, there are preambles. In the normal labor, the lie has to be longitudinal. The attitude has to be of complete flexion. The presentation has to be cephalic. The position has to be right or left occipital anterior position. Yet you take deliveries. Do you even know that there are diameters on the fetus core? There are diameters, and there are diameters that are preferable than the others. Talk about the presenting diameter is supraoccipitofrontal, from beneath the occiput to the frontal bone, which is 10 centimeters. There's also engaging diameter, the supraoccipitobregmatic, from beneath the occiput to the bregma, which is 9.5 centimeters. How then do you take your deliveries? Now let me go ahead with the mechanism. At the onset of labor, the fetus core lie on the maternal pelvic rib, with the occiput pointing to the right iliopectineal eminence, and the sinciput pointing to the left sacroiliac joint. With good injury contraction, descent takes place. The occiput meets with a maternal uterus, it rotates 1/8 of the cycle to lie under the symphysis pubis. And with further contraction, the occiput escapes the symphysis pubis and crowning takes place. Then, the sinciput, the face, and the chin sweeps the perineum. And the head is borne by a movement of extension. Immediately, partial restriction takes place, which allows the anterior shoulder to rotate 1/8 of a cycle to lie under the symphysis pubis. You don't notice yet to take the deliveries. Then the anterior shoulder escapes the symphysis pubis. The posterior shoulder sweeps the perineum. And the entire body is borne by movements of lateral flexion towards the mother's abdomen. You don't know all this? Most maternal deaths are preventable. That's if you take your time to acquire the right knowledge. I'm sure you know better now.
God have mercy. One pregnant woman just died. I don't know all this. I don't know anything about it. A lot of pregnant women has died because I don't know all this mechanism you are talking about. God have mercy. Forgive me. Oh, please, what's the name of this your school? Let me know.
Ondo State School of Community Nursing and Midwifery. Our lecturers have been doing excellently well. Yeah, and our overall aim is to ensure that no child is lost and no woman should die while giving birth. Thank you very much.
Please celebrate them, celebrate them. Thank you very much. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, there must be a signature that you are in Ondo State. And so in the next 1 minute, to usher in His Excellency, the Governor of Ondo State, the cultural troupe will just take 1 minute display to usher in His Excellency, the Governor of Ondo State, just for 1 minute. Honorable Dr. Lucky Orimisaye that you are. Thank you.
Yáyá gbé o, Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu, yáyá gbé Ọ̀bọ̀nyìngbò, yáyá gbé o, Yèyé Ayédàtiwá, yáyá gbé Ọ̀bọ̀nyìngbò. Akínmọ̀gùn Ọ̀nàdẹ́sí àti Fáyẹ̀ká jẹ níbẹ̀. Yáyá gbé Ọ̀bọ̀nyìngbò. yọ̀. Ajé Ayédàtiwá yọ̀ mo yọ̀. Ajé Adélàmí yọ̀ mo yọ̀. Ajé lọ ògúngúnù sọ. Ẹgbẹ́ tábí ẹ. Ùwọ́ sọ ní gbọ́dọ̀ ní gọ̀ yìí. Ùwọ́ sọ ní gbọ́dọ̀ ní gbọ́n yìí. Lọ́tọ̀ mẹ́ta ọ̀nà mo kàn. Ọ̀kan ìgbómi lọ́dọ̀ ẹsẹ̀. Ọ̀kan ìṣèmí pẹ̀lẹ́. Ọ̀kan ìkébé fẹ́ kánòdé àẹ̀dẹ̀bọ̀ yìí. Mo fi wọ́n mi fẹ́ káyọ̀ ògúngúnù sọ. Yóò ṣàpọ̀ yọ̀gọ̀yọ̀gọ̀ lóko ó kò wá ní Nàìjíríà o. Lóko ó kò wá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èdó o. Mo ọ̀dọ́ kò kó wá lọ o. Ajé ìdàgbọ̀hún. Ẹ̀yà ń kẹ́. Ajé ìdàgbọ̀hún. Ajé ìdàgbọ̀hún. Ajé ìdàgbọ̀hún. Ajé ìdàgbọ̀hún. Ajé ìdàgbọ̀hún. Ẹ̀pẹ̀pẹ̀ tíye. Pẹ̀pẹ̀ tíye. Ẹ má kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fò lọ. Aha! Aha! Pẹ̀pẹ̀ tíye. 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 Pẹ̀pẹ̀ tíye.
Thank you very much, the award-winning Ondo State Cultural Troupe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The award-winning Ondo State Cultural Troupe, we appreciate you. Thanks for this beautiful performance. Thank you, thank you. The award-winning Ondo State Cultural Troupe, thank you. Thank you. Ajé yọ̀ mo yọ̀. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. The award-winning Ondo State Cultural Troupe, we appreciate you. Your Excellency, the First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, protocols are respectfully observed. I would like to bring to the podium now for his remarks that man whose grace carries, whose anointing carries double grace. My governor, your governor, our governor, the executive governor of Ondo State, the lucky man himself, Mr. Performer, His Excellency, Dr. Lucky Orimisan Ayedatiwa.
Ayedatiwa. Ayedatiwa. Ayedatiwa.
Londo State.
Ayedatiwa. Londo State. Ayedatiwa. Ayedatiwa. Londo State. Ayedatiwa. Ayedatiwa. Hey, Ayedatiwa.
Thank you.
Hey, Ayedatiwa. Hey, Ayedatiwa.
Thank you. Esheo, let us be seated. Thank you. The First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, the wife of our President, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu CON, also the National Chairman of Renewed Hope Initiative. I greet you specially and you are welcome to Ondo State. Let me also acknowledge the wife of the Deputy Senate President, Hajia Laila Barau. I recognize you. You're welcome. Let me also acknowledge the Honorable Minister of State, Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Isaac Adekunle Salako. thank you for the work you are doing and the support you're giving to the President. The First Ladies, the wife of my brother governors that are here, both from the north and south. Let me acknowledge, first of all, my own wife, the wife of the governor of Ondo State, Her Excellency Oluwaseun Esther Anike Ade Ayedatiwa. The wife of Ekiti State Governor, Dr. Oluyemi Oyebanji, I recognize you. The wife of the Governor of the State of Osun, Her Excellency Chief Mrs. Titilola Adeleke. Let me also acknowledge the wife of the Governor of Gombe State, Her Excellency Hajia Ismail Inua Yahya, the wife of the Governor of Kaduna State, Her Excellency Hajia Hafsat Uba, the wife of the Governor of Borno State, Her Excellency Dr. Famad Babaganaz Mar Zulum, the wife of the Governor of Nasarawa State, Her Excellency Hajia Selifat Abdullahi Sule. Let me also acknowledge the Deputy Governor, amiable lawyer Deputy Governor, Dr. Olaide Olabi Adelami MNI, and his amiable wife. I recognize you. Let me also acknowledge all members of the State Executive Council that are here, the Secretary to the State Government, Dr. Taiwo Soranti, and the Special Advisor, Women Affairs and Social Development, Dr. Seun Bigi Osemaye, as a part of contact to all our ESCO members. Let me also acknowledge the wife of the ministers that are here, the wives of senators and members of House of Representatives, wives of the security chiefs, using the wife of the National Security Advisor, Hajia Zarari Badu, as a point of contact to all of you. Let me also acknowledge all our security chiefs that are here, the Commissioner of Police, the Controller of Immigration, the Amotekun Commander, the Commandant Civil Defense Ondo State. Let me also acknowledge greatly the chairman of our party, because without the political party we can't be here. Engineer Adetimen, I recognize especially. The ED, CEO, National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Muiwa Ino, I recognize you. All the health workers that are here, all of you, health workers and those who are students, medical students, I recognize every one of you. The beautiful Ondo State women, I recognize every one of you. All the aides to the First Lady, I recognize every one of you. Executive Director representing Ondo State on the board of NDDC, my brother, my friend, Honorable Ifedaya Beginde, aka Abena. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, it is my great pleasure to welcome you, our national treasure. That's who you are, the mother of the nation. And all members of your entourage, more particularly all the first ladies in your entourage, to Ondo State, the Sunshine State. We are indeed greatly honored to host you as you launch one of your many programs in the Renewed Hope Initiative in the southwestern region of Nigeria here in Ondo State. Today's event focuses on the presentation of 10,000 professional kits, scrubs and crocs to nurses and midwives in the southwest geopolitical zone of the country, having done same in 4 other geopolitical zones. I want to, on behalf of the government and the good people of Ondo State, express our deepest appreciation to Your Excellency for the choice of Ondo State out of the 6 states in the Southwest for this epoch-making event. Thank you so much. We want to also use this opportunity to appreciate Your Excellency for your philanthropic efforts, particularly in supporting our healthcare workers through the distribution of these professional kits. We do not take this rare gesture for granted. This thoughtful gesture of yours will undoubtedly have a profound impact on the lives and the lives of our citizens, particularly in the area of maternal and child health. The provisions of these kits will not only boost the morale of our nurses and midwives, but also enhance the quality of care they provide to our citizens. As we are all aware, investments in maternal and child health have significant returns, not only in terms of improved health outcomes, but also in terms of human capital development, economic productivity, and societal well-being. Your initiative is therefore a timely and strategic intervention that will definitely contribute to the achievement of our state health development goals. We are also grateful for Your Excellency's commitment to uplifting the living standard of women through other empowerment programs, which includes, among others, the release of millions of naira to support hundreds of traders. Women economic empowerment is a critical driver of sustainable development, and your initiative will no doubt contribute to the achievement of our state's economic development goals. Now to the direct beneficiaries and recipients of today's event, our nurses and midwives, the heroes in our hospitals and clinics. These professional kits are not mere tools, they are a mark of appreciation for your sacrifice and an investment in your continued service to humanity. Permit me to place on record, ma'am, that the main pillars of your Renew Hope initiative have contributed tremendously to education, health, economic empowerment, social investment, and agriculture. In Ondo State, our administration's 7 points agenda policy thrust, codename our EASE, that is Odatiwa Odirorum, aligns with the Renew Hope initiative. We have also been working tirelessly to support women, children, and the vulnerables. Our administration has implemented a range of programs aimed at empowering women, including skills acquisition programs, microcredit schemes, and support for women entrepreneurs. A good number of our policies and programs have increased access to education, healthcare, and nutrition support. Our administration is committed to building a society that is inclusive, equitable, and just for all. We are also appointing women to positions in the State Executive Council and other sensitive positions where they have proved they are mental, like their male counterparts. I would also like to take this opportunity, to express our deepest gratitude to the President and Commander-in-Chief of Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for his purposeful leadership in Nigeria, which has given all of us a renewed hope. His unfeigned love for our state, having visited us about 3 times since he became president, and for the numerous federal government's projects being implemented in Ondo State. We deeply appreciate the new teaching hospital approved for the Federal University of Technology, Akure, the upgrading of Adeyemi College of Education, Ondo, to full-fledged University of Education, the ongoing Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road passing through Ondo State, the sitting of the Nigeria Air Force Secondary School at Igbaraoke, the College of Aviation for Southwest to be situated here in Akure, just to mention but few. Thank you. The socioeconomic impact of this infrastructure to our state are monumental. Mr. President's commitment to the country's development is evident in the various initiatives and landmark projects taking shape across the country, and we are proud to see the positive impact of these projects also in our state. Your Excellency, we are grateful for your leadership. We must recall Your Excellency's impactful 3-term tenure of 12 years as Senator representing the good people of Lagos Central Senatorial District and the lasting legacy you have left behind. As Nigeria's First Lady, you have brought to the table a background of rich initiatives and leadership experience in complementing the developmental agenda of Mr. President. We cannot but express our gratitude to you for the unflinching support given to Mr. President in his quest at transforming Nigeria towards achieving her God-given place among Committee of Nations. Once again, we welcome Your Excellency, your team and entourage to Ondo State, and we assure you of our full support in every of your initiatives. We look forward to more collaboration in working together to build a brighter future for all our citizens. In conclusion, I would like to underscore that the launch of your Renew Hope initiatives in Ondo State is a significant landmark that will undeniably have a lasting impact on the lives of our people. And we are committed to working with you to ensure the success of this initiative and to building an improved future for our state and Nigeria. I thank you all, and God bless. Now, before I leave the stage, I have a gift to present to the First Lady. Because by the time I leave, she will take the stage all through. So, can you arrange the gift so as I'm coming down to do the presentation?
Now we are having a presentation by the Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency, Honorable Dr. Lokirimi Sayeda to the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON. This highlights the importance of this event and the mutual respect and understanding that we have. Before the remarks, before the speech of Her Excellency the First Lady, there will be another presentation by the midwives and nurses. Please, let's get set for that. Thank you very much. The next presentation highlights the hallmark of today's event, the presentation of professional kits, crocs and scrubs to midwives in the Southwest geopolitical zone. Just after this photograph, we will be having that now. Thank you very much. Please celebrate the First Lady, celebrate the Governor. Now can we have the presentation by the nurses and midwives before we will have the speech of Her Excellency. Can we have the midwives now? Thank you. Please, let's clear the foyer for the next presentation, please. Can we do that quickly? Thank you. Let's clear the foyer so that we can have the next presentation before the speech of Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful. Please celebrate, 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 celebrate. These are very beautiful crocs and scrubs that Our Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, is championing the presentation. Wow. Now the First Lady has joined these beautiful nurses. The First Lady of Ondo State has also joined Ditto, the wife of the Deputy Governor of Ondo State. The wife of the Deputy President of the Senate has also joined. And we have the Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Honorable Lokeri Misaida, who are also there. Ditto is Deputy Dr. Olaide Owolabi MNI. It's a beautiful rendition there. The Honorable Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare is also there. Ditto, the Chief Executive of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's now the climax of the event. A time to listen to the address by the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We have a standing ovation, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it in Ondo State way. Celebrate, celebrate. Our Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu CON. Please celebrate, celebrate, celebrate.
Ẹ bá wa kí màmá wa, màmá dára ó lẹ́wà, ibikíbi tó wù kẹ́ lè lọ, ọba òkè àṣà látìlẹ́yìn rẹ̀. Ó yá mọ́mì, mọ́mì ooo, wà pẹ́ láyé, mọ́mì ooo, wà jẹ́wọ́ mọ́, wà pẹ́ láyé wà lálàáfíà, wà jẹ́wọ́ mọ́. Wà pẹ́ láyé wà lálàáfíà, wà jẹun ọmọ.
The energy here in Ondo since we got in has been amazing. And I pray I'll be able to wake up tomorrow morning. Thank you so much. The wife of the Deputy Senate President, Hajia Leila Barao, the Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency, Dr. Lucky Orimisa Ayedatiwa, and his wife, the First Lady of Ondo State, Her Excellency, Mrs. Esther Oluwaseun Ayedatiwa. First Ladies of other states and RHI coordinators that are here, members of the National Assembly present, including Senator Adeniyi Adegbomire, SAN, representing Ondo Central Senatorial District, wives of National Assembly members present, Deputy Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Dr. Olaide Adelami and his wife, Her Excellency Mrs. Otumba Olubukola Adelami, Honorable Minister of Health for State for Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Isaac Adekunle Salako, wives of Honorable Ministers here present, led by the wife of the Honorable Minister of Agric, Hajia Bilikis Kiari, wives of service chiefs here present. I know they've mentioned all of you, so I'm going to cut my protocol short. The President of National Council for Women's Society, Mrs. Edna Azura, the Speaker of Ondo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Olamide Oladiji, represented by Honorable Princess Olawumi Fayemi Obayelu, and other members of the State Assembly here present. Members of the Ondo State Executive Council and commissioners for health from other states here present in the Southwest, Executive Director and CEO, Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Muyi Aino, I see the DG NACA that is here. Dr. Ilori. Thank you so much. Would you imagine? That's how tired I am. The SSA PAP, that is the SSA to Mr. President on Food Security, a daughter of the soil, Honorable Yejide Ogundikpe. The Ondo State APC Chairman, Engineer Adeti Mei, and other APC members present. Our dear nurses and wives here present, midwives here present, student of the University of Medical Sciences, Ondo, and students of Millennium College of Health Technology, Akure, market men and women here present, women from various groups, members of the National Youth Service Corps present, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. First, I would like to start by congratulating the Executive Governor of Ondo State, Your Excellency, Dr. Lucky Ayedatiwa, on your recent inauguration. I pray that your term in office will bring prosperity and good fortune to the people of Ondo State. I am honored to officially flag off the distribution of 10,000 professional kits to midwives in the southwest states, namely Ekiti, Lagos, Ogun, Ondo, Osun, and Oyo, with Ondo State being the chief host today. It feels great to be back in Akure after quite some time. It is so because Ondo State holds a special place in my heart. I started cutting my teeth as a professional teacher, and also I think I went to A-levels. It's been a long time. I can't remember the name of the school. Federal government for A-levels. Federal government. Thank you. It's been a long time. Over 40 years, so over 40-something years. But I remember Adeyemi College of Education very well. So it was quite very fun time. That was when education really had its prestige. Would you believe that we are just two in a room? You know, Adeyemi was small, but very, very prestigious school. I had wonderful years growing up in Ondo town. And so Ondo State holds a very special place, and it's good to be back. This event is to complement the ongoing federal government retraining exercise for 120,000 frontline health workers nationwide. I'm informed that 60,470 health workers have already completed their training, and that is why the Renewed Hope Initiative procured 60,000 branded scrubs and 60,000 pairs of Crocs as an incentive to encourage and support the tireless dedication of our midwives. All 6 geopolitical zones will receive 10,000 scrubs and 10,000 pairs of Crocs, which will be distributed among the states in each zone. Since the initial launch in January 2025, we have distributed the professional kits in 4 zones, namely North Central, Northeast, Northwest, and South-South. Today, we are in Ondo State to distribute the kits for the Southwest, making this the 5th zone. By the grace of God, we would be concluding with the 6th zone in Enugu, Southeast zone in June. This donation has been made possible through the generous support from an anonymous global partner dedicated to improving health outcomes for our citizens. I refer to them as anonymous because they prefer to remain so. My first interaction with this partner was at the United Nations General Assembly Hunger in 2023, followed by a meeting at the African Union Summit in 2024. The donor is committed to supporting the Organization of African First Ladies for Development and the healthcare sector in Nigeria, with a specific focus on reducing infant and maternal morbidity and mortality. Tomorrow, by the grace of God, I will be launching the Free to Shine Triple Elimination Campaign for HIV/AIDS, syphilis, and hepatitis here in Ondo State. This initiative aims to promote healthier mothers, reduce new HIV infections among women of reproductive age, eliminate mother-to-child transmission of HIV, which is also the vertical transmission, and provide treatment for children born with HIV. I commend the Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Muhammadu Ali Pate, and his brother, Dr. Isaac Salako, for their partnership and for the efforts you have both shown. The Executive Director and CEO of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Dr. Muyi Aino, and the entire workforce for their dedicated focus on improving healthcare delivery for our citizens as an important pillar of development in line with the renewed hope agenda of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. Since its inception in 2023, the Renewed Hope Initiative has provided targeted interventions in agriculture, economic empowerment, education, health, and social investment to improve the lives of families across Nigeria. RHI recognizes that the demand of the health professional require not only skills and compassion, but also the right tools and kits to encourage our midwives as they serve others. We thank you all for the good work you are doing, and God bless you and your families. In the spirit of today's event, the Renewed Hope Initiative will be presenting an additional grant of 50 million naira to the First Lady of Ondo State to support 1,000 women petty traders in Ondo State with a sum of 50,000 each to recapitalize their existing businesses. Today will be, after we leave this hall, we are also empowering about 200 women who are in textile businesses. We brought about 400 bales of African prints, and we're going to give 2 bales each to one of the 200 women, and part of the 1,000 women to be empowered, 200 of them would also get the grant of 50,000. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Governor of Ondo State. Your Excellency, I can't thank you enough. You have just started your administration, and I believe that the people in your state voted for you with love and with a lot of trust. And I pray that God will help you as you start on a good foot, that you will bring prosperity to this state and growth, and bring in and achieve monumental achievements in this state as you lead them to their El Dorado. God bless you in Jesus' name. And to the First Lady, Her Excellency Mrs. Esther Oluwaseun Ayedatiwa, thank you so much for your hospitality since our arrival. Also, I appreciate all the First Ladies and the RHI coordinators from the Southwest Zone, some of your colleagues that have joined us here today as well. I'm grateful for your support to all our RHI programs. To the glory of God and the benefit of mankind, I officially hand over these professional kits, all this comprising of 10,000 scrubs and 10,000 pairs of Crocs, to the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency for onward distribution to our midwives in the Southwest Zone. God bless all the midwives and also our nurses in Nigeria. God bless Ondo State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Our Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu CON. Now, please, may I invite the First Lady of Ondo State, Our Excellency, Mrs. Esther Oluwaseun Ayedatiwa, and the Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency, Honorable Dr. Lucky Orimisan Ayedatiwa, as they get the presentation from. Please, let's just have Her Excellency, the wife of Ondo State Governor and the Governor, to be joined by the wife of the Deputy President of the Senate. Please, let's welcome Nene Barao. She also joins them for the first moment of photographs there.
You do well, Lord. You take care of me.
Thereafter, we will have. Please, are we done with that level?
Mama, you do well. You do well, Lord. You take care of me. Momore.
Thank you. Please, are we done with that level?
Senator Oluremi Tinubu.
All right, thank you, Your Excellencies. Photographers, are we done with that? Let's now have. The First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, shaking hands there with the First Lady of Ondo State as she receives the check of 50 million naira from Her Excellency, the First Lady of Nigeria. Thank you very much. Now let's have the Honorable Minister of State, Honorable Minister of State, Health and Social Welfare, and Dr. Muyaino come up now upstage to also have photograph with His Excellency and Our Excellencies.
Excellency Ndupe, Oni Eshe Mama.
The members of executive, members of ESCO of Ondo State, ESCO members of Ondo State,
Only Senator Oluremi Tinubu, Mama Eshe, Amore, Oni Eshe Gonio,
Our Excellency now takes photograph with the members of Ondo State Executive Council.
Eshe Goni, Eku Itoju Amore.
All the commissioners for health, across the Southwest, please come up.
Oluremi Eshe.
We're currently having Our Excellencies and His Excellency with the members of the EXCO.
Ani Eshe. Amore Southwest, yo.
Please, can we now have the commissioners for health?
Àwọn midwife ń dúpẹ́, mama wọ́n ní ẹ ṣé.
Thank you very much.
Ayáyédàtí wà ń dúpẹ́, ó ní ẹ ṣé. Wọ́n sọ pé you do well o, you take care of us, amore. Oya mama you do well, you do well o, you take care of us, amore. Senator Oluremi ṣẹ́gun ni o, ẹ kú ìtọ́jú wa, amore.
Thank you very much. Please, can we also have the first ladies, the wives of the governors of the Southwest, the wives of the governors across Southwest zone.
Àwa ń dúpẹ́ bàbá fún ọ̀rẹ́ ńlá rẹ̀. Is it? Àwa ń dúpẹ́ bàbá fún ọ̀rẹ́ ńlá rẹ̀. Nígbà táyé kò wá, ẹ̀yin là ṣàjọ.
It's now time for presentation, state by state. Let's have Ondo State. Ondo State first.
Nígbà táyé kò wá, ẹ̀yin là bò wá. Nígbà táyé kò wá, ẹ̀yin là ṣàjọ. Amore, ẹ kú ìtọ́jú wa. Ẹ ṣé gan ni, ẹ kú ìtọ́jú wa. Amore, ẹ kú ìtọ́jú wa.
That's the presentation for Ondo State. Can we now have
Amore,
Osrc State?
Ondo?
I thought it's done. Ondo State. The First Lady of Nigeria presents symbolically to the wife of Ondo State Governor. Next is Ekiti State. Ekiti State. The wife of Ekiti State Governor, Her Excellency Dr. Olayemi Ibanji, receives that from the First Lady of Nigeria. Next is Osrc State. Osrc State. Osrc State. Osrc State. Thank you very much.
Lekiti.
Lagos State is next. Ogun should get ready and Oyo should also get ready. Oyo is here. Can we have Oyo now?
Atiru Kaiwa Ekiti Kete.
Can we have all the states of the Southwest? Ogun State. Can we have Ogun State, the Commissioner for Health in Ogun State? Ogun State. Can we have the representative of Ogun State? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, symbolically, can we all have the item in our hands as we take photograph?
Àwọn ọmọ Olúmọ, àwọn ọmọ Olúmọ, àwọn jẹ́rìí fèrè jìjì. Àwọn ọmọ Olúmọ, àwọn ọmọ Olúmọ, àwọn ọmọ Olúmọ, àwọn tẹ́mi ń pè lẹ́gìdì. Àwọn ọmọ Olúmọ. Mo lógún state, mo kí yín.
Thank you. So everyone now has at least one. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Eba wa ki mama wa.
Please, let's clear the foyer as the dignitaries go back to their seats.
Senator Oluremi Tinubu. Mama Dara Olawa.
Now the First Lady is attending to the midwives. The midwives will now be having a photo session with the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Ọba òkè aṣálàtìlẹ́yìn rẹ̀. Mọ́mì, mọ́mì ooo. Wà pẹ́ láyé. Mọ́mì ooo. Wà jẹun ọmọ. Wà pẹ́ láyé wà lálàáfíà. Wà jẹun ọmọ. Wà pẹ́ láyé wà lálàáfíà. Wà jẹun.
Dr. Mui, I know, is there on the roll call, as well as the Honorable Minister of State, Health and Social Welfare. Just as we have the Governor of Ondo State and his amiable wife there. Please celebrate them, celebrate them.
Tinubu, Oluremi, Aya Tinubu, Senator Oluremi, Utumbu, Oluremi, Aya Tinubu. Oh yeah, Our Excellency.
Please.
Oluremi, Oluremi, Aya Tinubu.
Thank you. I'm so sorry. My sister, Mrs. Shetima, the wife of the Vice President, would have been here today with me. There was a call from home. She was bereaved, so she had to change plans. She would have loved to be here, but if this is done, she might join us tomorrow. So I send her love to you all. Thank you. I forgot.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Please, once the dignitaries get to their seats, it will be time for the national anthem. Please, let's get ready for that. It will be on reverse basis. We'll take the Ondo State anthem and then we'll take the national anthem.
Thank you, cultural troop, Joe. Please, can we bring it down? Can we bring it down? Thank you. Thank you very much. Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, the First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria. We appreciate you, ma. Please, let's take the Ondo State anthem, then the national anthem.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, and all the dignitaries all the way from Abuja. Thank you.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe lérí gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ náà ni ẹ ti wò lójú òmò máwòrán yín tí ẹ dẹ̀ láǹfààní láti gbọ́ lórí rédíò wa méjèèjì. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo lọ́gàlọ́gà nílé iṣẹ́ wa pàápàá jùlọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀gá wa pátápátá gíwá ilé iṣẹ́ wa wípé wọ́n ṣe o gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wà ní ìgbọ́nú ti kámẹ́rà nídìí kámẹ́rà a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ẹ̀yin tí di wa ọpẹ́ pàtàkì náà lọ́wọ́ yín o bákan náà la dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ wípé kò lè ṣeé ṣe ní ọjọ́ tòní bí ọdún Bọ́lájí lórúkọ tèmi àti ẹ̀kú kalẹ̀.
Yes, thank you very much, everyone, for staying tuned to the services of Ondo State Radio Corporation, OSRC, Orange 94.5 FM and Sunshine 96.5 FM, Alalaye, as we brought to you live the events or presentation of 10,000 professional kids to midwives in the Southwest Zone by Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, the First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is what we'll be calling it a bye as we come to the end of the program. My name is Folashade Ogidon saying bye.
Tinubu, Oluremi aya Tinubu. Her Excellency, Oluremi aya Tinubu.